What's going on, guys? I'm back with another scrap video. Today is gonna be a pretty cool video. I'm looking outside right now. So we're actually gonna be doing a redesign for Christmas on the rig that I have downstairs, the lighting rig. If you want to see more about that rig, go check out my main channel, Isaiah Lights 24. I got a lot of videos on those lights and even a few light shows. So I'll just show you what it looks like currently. Currently, this is the rig right here. As you can see, everything's on right now. All the spots, the washers, the beams, the pars, and the strobes, and the panels and LED strips. Everything's on. And so we're actually going to be redesigning the light panels and the LED strips for the holidays. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So let me just walk you through what I'm going to do. So this was the current design for 2024, the hourglass shape of the panels. And the only thing I have to do is take these two panels off and put them right here at the bottom, right there. And that's it. That's what makes the tree, the Christmas tree, because there's a base and then the tree is triangular. So, and then for the LED strip idea, I'm thinking of making them into like a star shape. I don't know how that's going to turn out, but hope it turns out well. And also, I'm recording this before Thanksgiving because a lot of people like putting their tree up way before Thanksgiving. But first of all, you got to celebrate Thanksgiving. You got to celebrate what you're thankful for before you can get into the Christmas spirit. Well, I've been in the Christmas spirit since like Halloween, so I mean, because Christmas is my favorite holiday because it involves a bunch of lights, Christmas lights, and you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna film myself. Gonna turn these panels into a tree, and let me see if I can find my tripod, and I'll see you guys in a bit. And I forgot to tell you guys, I'm getting 4 more lights to swap with the beams. I'm still gonna have the beams, but for a while, I'm just gonna use the lights that are going to be on the floor that will replace the beams for a short period of time. I'm still going to keep the beams though. I'm not getting rid of them. I want to be able to customize and swap out some fixtures in my rig. I want to be able to customize it every single day or week or month or whatever you guys want to see. So yeah, anyways, let's get on to it. So first of all, this was my hourglass design. Kind of looks like an hourglass. You can tell me what it looks like in the comments. So I'm gonna take off the cross, and yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of the hourglass design because this is my current design for 2024. For 2023, trapezoid, and then the second half it was, I don't even know what it was, but it looked like a butterfly. Yeah, see, so these panels actually need to be taped because if I leave them like that, they're gonna fall. Get a little bit of tape because I don't want these falling on someone's middle head. Okay, okay. Can we cut that out, please? It's so hard to get these. All right, there we go. And then all we gotta do is tape that down like so, and it's gonna stay on there, nice and tight. Kind of leaning, but it's okay, you won't notice it from the front. Alright, next. There we go. That's our tree. Now all we gotta do is make a star. Haven't put the Christmas tree up yet. This tree is still taking the place of the Christmas tree. There are some fairy lights on this tree that I'm probably gonna add to the Nanoleaf light panels to make it like a digital Christmas tree. Guys, look what I found. These poster board trees that I made a couple years ago. I'm probably gonna add these to the rig too. I just used, as you can see, I just cut out a bunch of triangles and stacked them up on top of each other. Wait, no, I got a better idea. Alright, look, watch this. See this? This is the windowsill. I'm going to put these right here. I gotta move the LED strips out, though. Right here. Yeah, it looks great. I hope the beam won't hit it in the face. It might, but if it does, I'll just move it over a little bit. Oh no, we're good. We're good. I just can't fan them out too far. All right, I'm on this side. I'm doing the next tree. Let's get this. Tear this off. And there's the second tree. All right, there it is. It looks awesome already. Now the only thing we're missing is we need a star on top of the tree. And I also have some of these clear ball pit balls I got from Forward Conference. And I could use these as ornaments and put them on and tape them onto the panels. So I might do that. I found the star. It looked kind of lopsided. Well, that's because I cut it free-handed. I mean, it looks good. But yeah, that's the star we're going to put on top of our digital tree. I might put some stars on the little trees too. And I'm not going to put the star up on this light, hanging down from this light until after Thanksgiving, because, you know, we're probably going to put a nativity scene on the table and an Advent wreath. And then I'll put the star up. So far, it's looking good. All right. I'm gonna go and put the star up. Right. Hold up. Sorry guys, there was some tape on the front of the star, so I had to get that off. But now we can put it on. Like so. It's hard to do this with one hand. Like this. There it is, guys. There is our star. It doesn't light up though, sorry. But it's cool. And now we're going to get these fairy lights off of this tree, because we're going to put it away on Friday, Black Friday. I got the entire thing of fairy lights. Just a wire with a bunch of lights on it. I personally do not like fairy lights. As you can see, they twinkle. And that's basically it. So I'm going to put these on the tree. This is the little battery pack it comes with. This used to be in like a little jar because it has a handle on it. But I took it apart because I like taking stuff apart. Alright, let's go. And there it is. Now let's turn them on and see how it looks. 3, 2, 1. Wow. That's cool. I was thinking about putting some actual Christmas lights on these, but then I realized, oh wait, that could ruin the entire thing. Christmas lights are all sorts of colors. And I only need one color. I don't need warm white. Although warm white would be pretty cool. But yeah, I just got fairy lights that do not seem to be staying in their place. Now time for the ornaments. I mean, I had 5 of them. I don't know where the other one went. Oh, I see it. Let's do it. 2. There you go. This one seems like it's gonna fall. Ah! I'm okay. There's nothing to worry about. I'm good. Okay guys, I had to get rid of some videos on my phone because I was out of storage, but I did it. As you can see right here, this is the digital Christmas tree. You can see I have the ornaments up. I decided to go with the triangle design because like every other design looked kind of lopsided and this tree's about to fall, so I gotta tape it up. But yeah, we got the fairy lights on it. We got the ornaments. And we have the star, which I'm probably just going to light up using these spots. But there's going to be another star, but anyway. So yeah, this is the tree. Alright guys, I just finished up. And it was a really tedious process to make all this. but it looks amazing. And I can't wait for you guys to see it. Here we go. There it is, guys. The lights are starting to warm up. This is the Christmas 2024 design. Now, I've changed a lot of stuff up. As you can see, I showed you the tree already. That light's getting into position. But I showed you the tree with the ornaments and the star and the fairy lights. And then the LED strips. These took the hardest to build. So I basically made it into like a flash of light or like a halfway star. It looks awesome. I put it around the tree so it looks like the tree's glowing, even though it is glowing. I just wanted to put like radiant stuff around it, and it looks awesome. And then the last thing I did was I hung all these CDs. They're in pairs of 6. I hung one on both. I hung 2 on both sides, so there's 2 pairs of 6. So they're basically 2 strands of 6 CDs. So yeah, I like it. It looks awesome. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Hopefully nothing falls, and maybe I can get you guys a Christmas light show. Thanks for watching. This is part 1. I will do a part 2 on Black Friday. I'll upload a video on Black Friday. So this is part 1. So if you guys want to see part 2, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, hit that notification bell, do all that stuff, and also subscribe to my main channel. I got a ton of lighting videos on there, light shows, vlogs, challenges, everything like that. And so yeah, make sure to do that, and I will see you guys in part 2. See ya. Peace.